Let's check this menu situation out. Shit, we're vibrating a little bit. That's not good. Tree in the way. Georgia Gold's expensive, ladies and gentlemen. $5.49. You can get it 3 different ways, as you can tell. Baskets. Move up a little bit so the car ain't vibrating. Menu, ladies and gentlemen. Freaking menu scan. So I know what to get next time. Food reviews with John the Picker. We're heading to our next restaurant, which is KFC. We're gonna do Mancino's soon. Headed to KFC, ladies and gentlemen. They got the Georgia Gold chicken advertised right on the board, as you can tell. We're gonna go in and see what we can get today. $10 meal deals and every friggin' thing here today. Fill up boxes. Alright guys, food reviews with John the Picker. Next spot up, we got KFC. I got the Georgia Gold. I've been seeing the commercials for this. Everything's made of gold and they picks it up. You can't barely pick it up. Ugh. We got the Georgia Gold, ladies and gentlemen. It's supposed to be honey mustard style chicken. Honey mustard barbecue. And then I got a Nashville hot. Spicy, smoky, crispy chicken little sandwich. What's this friggin' thing? I have no idea. Cold slaw. Got some cold slaw. I don't really like cold slaw. What else do we got? Oh, I got a cookie. Cookie, looky, cookie. Looky, looky, KFC gave me a cookie. Okay, we got a little chocolate chip. A little bit of chocolate chip. Check this chicken out. We're gonna sealed it right up, didn't they? I can smell the pickles as soon as I took the top off. It's a little gold. There goes that pickle. Shit's expensive. I can kind of taste it. It's got a little bit of a honey mustard taste to it. Not what I was expecting. My Chicken Little. This is the hot one. I hope. It's either the hot or it's the Georgia Gold, one or the other. Well, doesn't taste too hot. Yep. I don't know what to think of this, ladies and gentlemen. It's got a little bit of a spice to it. I can taste it now a little bit. It was funny, I was watching YouTube videos on eating when people get the naked chicken chalupa because it was so spicy. It's funny. Hodge twins were all dumping hot sauce on it. I was laughing. I'm thinking, man, his mouth's gonna be hot. It's got a little bit of a kick to it. I thought my mouth was gonna be burning. I don't know what to think, folks. I'm gonna have to eat a little bit. I mean, I can kind of taste a little bit of a spice. Not as bad as a jalapeno. It's still a little spicy. Alright guys, KFC's new chicken, the Georgia Gold and the Nashville Hot. The Nashville Hot was pretty hot. As soon as I got done eating that Chicken Little, it took me one of these whole chicken tenders just to get rid of the hot flavoring and half my soda. So that did kick in to be pretty hot in the end. We got the Georgia Gold. It's honey mustard barbecue flavored. I think it needed a little bit more flavoring. I could taste the honey mustard barbecue flavor, but I think it needed a little bit more. It needed to be like, wow, it's got a lot of flavor in it. It does got a lot, but I just wanted a little bit more flavoring. The honey barbecue, we're going to taste the coleslaw. Looks nice and fresh. I don't usually eat coleslaw. They must make that right there, because it tastes so fresh. I don't think they could ship it and make it taste that good. Tastes like it was just cut. Yep, I'm John the Picker, John the Picker's Food Reviews. Go up to KFC, get their Georgia Gold. I love the YouTube commercials they've been doing. I like the one where the kids got the gold car. That was pretty funny. How he's always trying to carry around the Georgia Gold bucket. And it's so heavy. Because it's made of pure gold. John Picker Food Reviews, I'm out. Go get that hot kind.